So that is who we are. And 34 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities are available with Cipla, and 5 are totally dedicated into respiratory. And also all these facilities are being approved by major regulatory bodies all over the world, such as US FDA, WHO Geneva, PIC, MHRA, TGA, then again MCC. So these are the regulatory facilities that we have got. And also we are, with the years counting, we are growing our capabilities from manufacturing to innovation to research, everything. And also we are the third largest manufacturer for PMDIs. So that not only that, from in India we have established the Chest Research Foundation in Pune 2002, and also not only producing drugs, but also giving, we provide online access to enhance the knowledge of doctors and patients by providing Cipla-Med and Breathe Free. Our ultimate goal is to keep everyone smile and helping them breathe free. The next video is on devices. To address each and every need, we have every kind of devices, so that we have a wide range of devices for more options, for better outcomes. There are 3 categories which we are having. The first one is PMDI. For that we have the breath actuated inhaler and the conventional PMDI. From DPIs we have the DP inhaler and the nebulizer. DP inhaler is a device where you can simply insert the DP capsule, rotate it and inhale it. And the nebulizer is a device where you can again see it, hear it and believe it. All these devices are transparent devices where it enables the patient to see whether you have used the drug fully, administered it fully. And these 2 devices enable access to every DP capsule in Cipla. And then again, from inhaled accessory devices, which is the last part of the group, we have Zerostat VT Spacer, which delivers drug through and through. It's a Zerostat. Since it's Zerostat, there is no deposition. The drugs won't get deposited on the surface of the device. And also because it has a unidirectional flow gate valve, it enables the drug to flow towards to the mouthpiece, and it enables a patient who has a low inspiratory flow rate to use this device. So that is how we cater devices to each and every need. Then again, talking about the manufacturing facilities, again as I told you earlier, we have 34 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, along with totally dedicated into respiratory. And the regulatory approvals from worldwide authorities are there. We, to benefit each and every patient, we provide from systems to people through processes, and to ensure complete control from APIs to formulations, through formulations through the devices to the lungs. When it comes to our capabilities, we produce 300 millions of respirators per year and 25 million of nasal sprays per year. By that, we are producing 15 billion doses per year, and we deliver them by keeping promise on each and every one.
Fourth video, product portfolio.
Then again, talking about the product portfolio, by far the largest product portfolio is with Cipla. When it comes to asthma, COPD and respiratory, we address the patients mainly when it comes to respiratory, those 3 categories. And again, we are the third largest PMDI manufacturer in the world. So that 31 molecules and combinations are there, are helping millions of people across hundreds of countries, for them, helping them to breathe better. That's why it says 7 billion of people if breathing free, what a wonderful world it would have been.
Availability of countries.
And the countries, the available countries, like we have reached into European market as well recently by having the headquarters in Belgium, and we are currently present in Germany, Netherlands, Sweden, Slovakia, Croatia, Czech Republic, Netherlands. So that we expand to keep. We expand our business to benefit others all over the way. And then again, we are a company who doesn't only deliver or produce drugs, and we make others like doctors and patients to enhance their knowledge by providing breathe-free and Cyplamed application where they can access online. Cyplamed is an online device, online website where a doctor can log into and see into various therapeutic categories. There are 17 therapeutic categories in Cyplamed, and 250 mastered lectures are there, which was done by many more people who are being conducting medical researchers, everything. And there are CMEs also where a local doctor can look into and conduct a CME. And also there are publications like childhood asthma, then asthma in pregnancy, asthma in sports, asthma in travel. And also talking about breathe free is we have a service and an application. Application enables patients to log in and see how to use the devices properly, because devices are mostly depending on technique. And also by providing the breathe free service with breathe free educators who we have, we enables doctors to have a better asthma diagnosis. Yes. So that we stay always ahead, staying as you.